Hello and welcome to the BICS Instant Peering tutorial. Here we will be introducing Instant Peering, one of the most sophisticated peering solutions available in the capacity market today, fully developed by BICS. With this new peering tool, service providers can utilize BICS' vast global network of physical and commercial agreements to easily integrate new points of presence and activate new traffic relationships. It takes just the click of a button on the BICS Instant Peering platform. This tutorial will demonstrate how to peer with another network via the platform and easily expand your network footprint with BICS. This is the graphical user interface you will see after signing into your account. Listed here are all of the available peers that are connected on the platform. Click on the drop-down and you will find these listed by Internet Exchange Point. Here, for example, you can see you are connected to and peering with A1 Telekom Austria in Frankfurt, but not in Amsterdam. Should you wish to change this and begin peering in Amsterdam, you can do so by simply sliding over the button, and the status will change to peering requested. From here, the traffic relationship will be activated on your behalf. As soon as this has been configured, the status light will turn green. Now, traffic will be able to flow between you and A1 Telekom's Austria and Amsterdam. Now, if we move to one-on-one Internet, you see that peering has been requested for the BICS Frankfurt peering point and the London Internet Exchange Point, but not the Amsterdam Internet Exchange Point. In order to peer with the Amsterdam Exchange Point, there needs to be a physical connection. To establish that connection, you can simply request it here. Upon doing so, an email will be sent to your account to initiate a commercial agreement with BICS, and you will be connected to the exchange point. If the peer you are looking for is not listed, you can request it here. For example, you can show that you are interested in Gibraltar Telecom by adding it to the wish list. The peering status will be updated accordingly, and BICS will be notified to contact Gibraltar Telecom and arrange the connection via the Instant Peering platform. Once Gibraltar Telecom has been successfully onboarded, you will receive an email saying the connection is ready. At this point, the status changes from wish list to not peering. Gibraltar is now available to peer with. Simply slide the button to activate. And there you have it. The Instant Peering platform is centralized and provides a single view of everything you need to manage your traffic. Save time, optimize costs, and peer in major internet exchange points to expand your network and improve customer experience. Let BICS' full-service solution handle every aspect of the peering process for your business. Contact BICS today.